Alright, I just sniffed Chhinkni into my nose for the first time, and it's a really strong feeling. It smells like menthol, and it really burns. Oh boy. Oh, I can feel it up there burning. I don't know if I'm going to sneeze though. It feels really strong. Oh, now I feel like I might sneeze. I feel it. I think I'm going to sneeze. Oh, my eyes are watering. My eyes are watering like crazy. I feel it in there. Oh boy. I'm going to sneeze. Uh. Oh, I sneezed. Those were big sneezes. Oh, those were big sneezes. Oh, it's still in there. Oh boy. Oh, it burns like crazy. This is only for people who are really... Oh boy, gonna sneeze. This is definitely only for people who are really serious about sneezing. It really burns. Oh, what a big sneeze. Oh, I love it. This is great stuff. Gonna sneeze. Oh, what a big sneeze. Oh boy. I'm gonna sneeze again. Whoa. Oh, my eyes are watering like crazy. My nose is running. I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh, I feel it in there. It's still in there. Oh, gonna sneeze. Oh, what a huge, gigantic sneeze. Normally I never sneeze that big. Oh, there's definitely going to be some more coming. Wow. This is really strong stuff. Hope I didn't use too much. It's making my eyes water, my nose run. I feel another sneeze coming on. I feel it in there. I'm gonna sneeze. Gonna sneeze. Oh, it's still in there, but it won't come out. But I'm definitely gonna sneeze. I hope you enjoy this. In case anyone's wondering, I'm a 24-year-old guy, and I am bisexual, so I'd love to hear from both men and women who like this. Gonna sneeze. Oh, it's just teasing me in there. It won't come out. Those are huge sneezes. I don't know if I'm going to sneeze again. Well, thanks everyone, and please let me know what you think.